I was drawn to science in a high school science class when we saw light entering a prism and it was refracted into multiple colors. And I had the realization that what we perceive is not the whole story. I'm Jennifer Cobb, and I'm professor and lab head in the Laboratory of DNA Damage Repair and Genome Integrity. Our lab is really interested in when repair factors misfunction, that is the underlying event of cancer initiation. Our laboratory studies DNA damage repair factors at the molecular level, how they function, but also how it changes in the process of aging and how repair occurs when there's a lot of DNA damage. Scientific training and research at UVic is such a great environment. The size of the university is large enough to compete internationally in, gold standard world-class science, but yet the university, the size is still intimate enough where you feel like you have direct interactions with instructors and teachers. The care that individuals in our programs create and the time that they spend with students is really an advantage to education at UVic.